The colon is a very important part of your digestive system. There are colon cleansing home remedies that you can try to get rid of the harmful toxins and give your colon a healthy boost. Here are the best colon cleansing home remedies for you. 1. Ginger. Ginger can be taken raw, or can be used as an ingredient to make tea, or can be taken with some honey and lime juice. No matters which way you go, one thing is sure, that it will help in cleansing the colon effectively. 2. Yogurt. Yogurt is rich with good bacteria and aids in keeping your colon cleansed and thereby healthy. The probiotic substances in yogurt help in annihilating bad bacteria and maintains healthy flora in the gut. The calcium in yogurt suspends the growth of unwanted cells lining the colon. 3. Lemon juice. In addition to vitamin C, lemon juice has powerful antioxidants that improve the health of your digestive system. Its acidic nature is what you need for proper functioning of the colon. This is because the acidity thins out all mucus stuck in the colon, leaving the colon clean. 4. Apple juice. The best way to use apple juice is to drink it the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You also need to drink it at least on 2 other occasions to cleanse the colon in a day. 5. Flax seed. Consider grounding flax seeds to obtain flax seed powder. Mix the powder with a reasonable amount of water in a glass and drink first thing in the morning and before going to bed to effectively cleanse the colon. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.